Hi, my name is Ruby Rafael Rodriguez, and this is my user-defined queue library application. And first up, let's run the program. Here we are. So press any key to continue. Enter student name. So entering student name. There we go. As you can see, I have in queue Ruby into the array that I made. Um, The array has 0 and 0. This is the front, this is the rear. I made them equal to 0 because the fact that we have used the first array. So then press another one. Um, now go. So the front stays 0 and the rear is incremented by 1. Now let's try another one. And yep. And this time let's press now. So the first thing that we input was Ruby, and then this one, and then this one. The main idea about queue is that it's supposed to have the first in first out system kind of thing. So the first input was inputted out, and then we dequeue it as we go along the loop. So looking at the code, I made I used a define library and made a variable max that has a constant value of 5. And I also made a class which is called QCL and has a function called void and has a return value string function which is called front and void pop. And I also made a struct called queue, which has variables for in front and rear and a string queue r max. And has the object called ob. So then here's the main function. I called the object for a class QCL called Q, and then I made a initialize the struct here front, initialize the -1, then -1, and then I made a cdr equals 0, and I made a character called quit, initialized it to y. I also made a string called temp. Now this while loop is basically gets the input from the user, which is this, and pushes it into the queue array, which goes to the function called push. Oops. Okay. Let's queue that one out. So it goes to the push. So here we are. I mean the front equals to 0 now since we have inputted something. So and we have the rear. And then if the front, which is this one, is greater than ob rear, it means that we can't add anymore because the queue is full. And yeah. Else we have obqr, and it has the rear value which we have incremented is equals to x, which is the string that is in our parameters. After that we have front, and in that front we have ob front and then rear and so on. don't know why I did this, so I better delete this one. After that, we go back to the program. If our rare is equals to the max, which is 5, right here, then q then quit would equal to n, and therefore it would end the while loop. As well as, simply put, we could put a break here. Otherwise, the user is asked if he wants to continue or not. And after that, we have incremented the variable CDR by 1. And after we have inputted everything, we are now going to print it out on the program. So, yep, here we are. So the thing here is that we have cout and then queued in front, and because of the class and we made the object called queue, we are going to go there. So here we are. It returns the value of queue that is in the front. It's in the front. Basically, it's returning the value that is the thing that we have entered first in the program, and then it goes to the pop function that I made, and oops, okay, go back there. Okay, and then we increment the in front by 1. Therefore, increasing it would actually output our next value, which is the second thing that we inputted. And then after that, goes on and goes on, and everything is arranged from first to last. And yep, that's how I made my udfqueue application. Thank you.